Hello guys, they want to come and arrest me. Oh, I'm looking for where to run to. You people should help us judge this case. This is somebody that bought my hair growth oil, all right, for growing your hair. 2.5 months ago. That was like in August, September, October, November. We're in November, so going to 3 months now. And now he's saying that it's not working. Look at his hair before the day he bought it. This was his hair, as you can see. He's growing bald. Hair is missing here, and this is the hair now. This is the hair now. And can you compare the two? I'll put two of them side by side so you can help me compare. So he's saying that it's not growing, that the baldness is not reversing. So I want you to let me know, do you think the baldness is reversing or not after 2.5 to 3 months? Let me know in the comments. If you feel it's reversing, look at the hair growth oil I used. This is the hair growth oil. This thing grows hair more than any oil in the world because you will make it yourself. You receive the ingredients, you just mix it in a bowl, sieve it out after 3 days, you apply in your hair. It will reverse your baldness. Now, let me tell you, let me show you first. Look at the day he bought it, sent this picture. As you can see, everywhere shiny, scanty hair here and everything. Look at him now after 2.5 months, going to 3 months. Look at this side of the hair. Look at it here. As you can see, it's now full. This is how your hair reverses. When you're regrowing your baldness, it will regrow exactly the way you lost it. The direction you were losing it for, that's how it will start going back. You see? You see, here is full already. That's how you know it's working. This place that used to be scanty, look at it. Look like a teenager's hair. And look, just zoom in and see how strong and black the hair is now. Very strong and black. For those people that say it doesn't reverse gray hair, it reverses gray hair. So far, haven't you seen my hair? Very strong and black. You understand? So it's one of the things you experience that your hair become thicker and stronger. Okay? The baldness is what to take time because, of course, it took many years to go bald. Most people going bald, they started going back bald in their teenage years. Now you're in your 40s. You're trying to reverse it under 2 minutes. No. Okay? But personally, I'm impressed with the 2 months progress. These 2 months. Do you understand? I can imagine after a few more months how the hair would look like. You see? Now, another thing I want you to notice is the hairline. Look at here, there's really no hairline. It just fades into hair. There's no hairline. You can even see that here is trying to join here and eat out. Okay? But look at this. You see? There's hairline now. Can you see? Clearly defined hairline. So if you need to regrow your baldness, reach out to me. If you're going gray hair, reach out to me. The same oil does the same thing because everything is inside. Okay? Look at how thick it is. That is not the same with what you buy in all this shop. Those ones, you don't know what is inside. They added preservative, cobalative, colorative, additive. After applying hair cream, you will start developing chest problem or prostate cancer. No, no, no. This one is, everything here is natural ingredients and they are edible, things you can eat. Some of you already put it in food to eat. You know, sauce that you eat. Natural. Everything here is natural. All right, you know your head is close to your brain. You shouldn't be applying chemicals you don't understand there. So inbox me, send me a message or drop a comment in the comment section that you need this. It's not free. I'll give you the list. With that list, you can go to market and buy it, or I'll give you a number of people that sell it if you're within Nigeria. They will package it and ship it to you when you pay them. My own, I'm saying the list. The list is not free. Don't come to me looking for show free. When baldness was eating your head, did you eat it for free? You chop it for free. Inbox me. I'll give you the full list so that you can start 2025 with a brand new hair. All right, hair strong, dark, and stop applying dye. Some of you that apply dye to look younger, dye is associated with prostate cancer. Go and Google it. Prostate cancer. Anything that's happening on your head is going straight to your reproductive organ as a man. That's where hair loss starts from. Hair loss, all this kind of hair loss you're seeing, is because something called DHT is a testosterone hormone. DHT is not being blocked. Your body is not efficient in blocking it well. So it travels up to your head and then it causes what? Your hair to become weak and start falling out. That is what causes it. So when you're applying something to heal it, if it's not something natural, it will still go to your balls there and cause you issues. Prostate cancer not be here. If you are having gray hair, go and watch my videos on gray hair. You should be watching for heart problem and prostate cancer. If your hair suddenly start turning gray, like everywhere is now yellow, no, go for tests in the hospital, and at least every year you do the test at least once every year. All right, until you manage to be able to reverse it. It's reversible. Hair is like plants in your garden. If your plant in your garden starts turning gray, you know that something is wrong with the garden. It's dying. Right? If you feed the ground well, it will start coming back. You just need to be patient and be consistent. Reach out to me in my inbox or in the comment section below. We'll chat on WhatsApp. I'll give you the list. It's not free, but it's guaranteed to work. This is like the best, most greatest hair oil in the world. Nobody is scamming you inside because you are making it yourself. All right, let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think there's improvement or not? He will watch this video, so let me know, so I'll tag him.